Would you like to learn how to make this deliciously rich, gooey, soft and delicious chocolate cake? What if I told you I actually made this in a slow cooker? Yes, you did hear me right. This is my recipe for slow cooker chocolate cake. Ideal for birthdays, Easter and other occasions. And if ever you've tried to make a cake and it's failed for whatever reason, I suggest that you really do give this recipe a go because it delivers fantastic results.
In a saucepan, place 200 grams of butter. Heat until it's fully melted. Then you need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 250 grams of caster sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and a pinch of bicarbonate of soda, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add the melted butter, along with 150 ml of milk. Beat up 2 eggs, and then add them. Then you want to mix. Now it's really important that you do not overmix, just do it until it's combined. About 2 minutes is enough. Use a spatula as well to remove any ingredients from the sides. In the base of your slow cooker, you need to place a trivet. Either use a ring or an upside down saucer. Then you need to put the kettle on for some boiling water.
For the recipe, you will need a properly sealed tin. So no spring form with a spring on the side and no loose bottom, because you're going to be using water in this and you don't want water in your cake because that will be really disgusting. They are a little bit hard to find now. You tend to find the spring form and the loose bottomed more than anything. However, I have put in the description below an affiliate link. Won't cost you any more, just means they'll pay me a little bit of commission. So please, if you're struggling to find a tin like I was, then you might actually want to go and buy one of these from the description below.
Place a cake tin liner in the tin. And then start adding the water up to the height of the trivet. Turn your slow cooker onto the high setting and place the cake mix into the tin. Then you want to add some tin foil over the top and make sure you seal it well. Place it into the slow cooker. And then you want to add more boiling water up to halfway up the sides of the tin. Place the lid on and cook for around 3 hours. After 3 hours, check to see if it's cooked. If you can place a knife in and it comes out clean, then it's fine. If not, just place back into the slow cooker for longer. Once cooled, place on a rack. Before you do the frosting stage, you want to make sure it's properly cooled down. For the frosting, get 200 grams of icing sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 60 grams of soft butter, along with 2 tablespoons of water. I start it off by hand and then start using my hand mixer. You want it so that it's like a mousse-like texture. Place on top of your cake and then start to make sure that it's smooth all the way round. Now, I sometimes don't know when to stop with the spatula. Add decorations to your choice. And you can soon make this recipe a pudding. Why not add some lovely cream? Or how about some ice cream or custard? It's so versatile.
Now, I've got a little bit of business to attend to, but would you do the kind business of subscribing to me? Would you press the subscribe and the bell button? That way then, every time I produce a recipe, including more slow cooker recipes, then you will be notified. And it means I can keep producing content for you guys. Thank you to each and every one of my subscribers. I think an awful lot about you.
The full recipe that you can print out and get more great ideas from is on the website, and you can watch the video again. There is also the nutritional fact sheets too. All you have to do is go to my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.